Hello, welcome to my car. It is hair day. My extensions are so incredibly grown out. I am so behind on schedule for when I get my hair done. I've been out of town so much. Siyan's been really booked up, so finding a date that worked for both of us this go around made me kind of push back my appointment date a few weeks more than I usually like to go. So I usually like to typically go every 8 weeks, 8 to 9 weeks, but I think we're at the 11-week mark, which my hair is grown out. Today I'm going to take you along for my appointment. I might do something different. I don't know what I haven't decided yet. Of course I'm going to make like a game time decision. That's just who I am. If you've been watching some of my other YouTube videos, you guys know that I have been getting, let's just pull it down. This is what we're working with. I've been getting invisible bead hair extensions for over a year now, probably a year and a half at this point, and I absolutely love them. I go see Siyan at Extend Hair Studio. My process of upkeep is every 2 months or so I get my extensions moved up, and every 4 months or so I get color refreshed. So every other visit we do color. Every visit you get a move up. Like these things are grown out. I'm trying to decide if I want to go down to one row for the summer. I did it last year for 2 months and I loved it. Part of me just like really loves this hair, but part of me is like, I'm going on a cruise again. I'm going to Mexico. We're going to Disney World. Like there's a lot of hot weather things coming up, and going to one row is probably going to be like way less heat on my, like it's just so easier to maintain. I'm going to take you guys along with my salon visit and show you what maintenance with invisible bead hair extensions is like. Maybe we'll go down to one row, maybe we won't, we'll see. For me, I find that the upkeep of my hair extensions is really easy. I obviously go to the salon more than when I didn't have extensions, because before I was just going like every 4 months to get my hair colored and cut. But now I go every 2 months, so it's double the amount of time I spend in the salon. Like I don't feel like it's a huge commitment to maintain it. I've been doing this, like I said, for a year and a half now, and I don't foresee myself going back anytime soon, because I just feel like it's really given me just like the best confidence with my hair. I just love it. I'm excited about this appointment, and I am going to take you guys along for it, and we will have a lot of fun. So I've been talking for a long time, but let's get to the appointment. Let's go ahead and get to Extend Hair Studio in Houston, where you're going to find the best hair extensions of your life, okay? Let's go. Okay, here is the hair, the natural hair without any extensions. We made it super long. I have some ideas of what I gave her. I'm asking her what does she think about going back down to one row for the summer, and then like doing more of an ombre with the money piece. Easy, like beachy for summer. Also like more low maintenance with the one row. So I think that's what we're gonna do today. But like, look how healthy it is. It's grown. It feels great. When you have extensions, sometimes the bottom layer of your hair grows a lot faster than the top, because she is cutting this to like kind of match the extensions a little bit more and have a more layered appearance. So that's why sometimes it grows out a little funky when you have everything out. That's why it looks like this. But I'm really happy with how this is looking right now. I think my hair is feeling very healthy. I think we have a good game plan for summer. I just want it to be really easy. All right, we're doing the one row. It's going in. Well, about to go in. She's gonna put a lot of hair, as much hair as she can, in the one row that my scalp can tolerate. Just gotta do a little appreciation clip for the hair. That is Saxon Row. I can't back up far enough, but this hair has been in my head for 8 months and it looks brand spanking new. And this color has not faded, has not gotten brassy. I mean, look at it. It's pretty. What more do I need to say about this? The color is absolutely perfect. The length is so great for summer. This is like the longest my hair has been in a long time, like naturally, because my natural hair is the same length as this row. The bottom layer is, so that is so exciting to get this long. Like when I went down to one row, I'll insert a clip here with what that looked like a year ago, how short that had to be to go down to one row, and just being able to go this long with one row is just extremely exciting. It's really lightweight and going to be so easy for summer. I'm really excited about that. I think it's so cute. Here is the hair color. I'm on my phone now, but we are in natural lighting just so you can kind of see outside what we're looking like and what we're working with. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it for summer. It's been about 6 days since I got my hair done, and this is me washing it and styling it myself after 5 days, and it looks so pretty. I'm so excited about it. I did just a little bend of the ends. I didn't want it completely straight, but I didn't want it curly, so I really like this style. Before I put this video to a close, I wanted to address the actual hair brand and share with you what the hair quality looks like of the extensions. As time has gone by, it's been 8 months since I've had this hair in my head. Here are some of the pieces of hair that did not make it in my head. This is what we left out, and this is what is left in. So we went, like I said, you saw, we went down from 2 rows to 1, and we have 4 wefts that were left over. So she sent me home with these, and then I can reuse these if I want to put them back in my head, which then extends the life of this hair even longer. So I want to share with you, just kind of pushing this up to the camera so you can see the quality of these hand-tied wefts. I've mentioned this before. Hand-tied hair means the way that it's manufactured. So at the very top of the hair, this is all hand-tied and hand-sewn, whereas machine wefts are a lot thicker. These are human hair. This is the brand Saxon Row. I've mentioned this brand multiple times. It's an ethically sourced hair brand, and I'm obsessed with it. Like, my last set of hair lasted me well over a year. I could have gone longer. I just wanted to switch the hair out and go longer in length, so we did a new set of hair. We did these 2 different colors that I have in my head right now. I can't say enough good things about this hair brand, and it is their in-house hair brand. This is a brand that Siyan and her co-owner own the hair. You can purchase it as a stylist, but it's not available to the general public for purchase. If you're a regular consumer, you have hair extensions, and you are interested in getting Saxon Row hair installed as your hair extensions, you would need to ask your hairstylist to purchase it. So it's not something, I think you just apply as a stylist and then purchase it. I'm not well versed in this stuff, but this is what Siyan has told me, because I have had these questions from regular people, like, how do I find this? How do I find a stylist that has this hair? And your best bet is, if they don't and you really want it, you could ask them to buy it. You could ask your stylist to purchase it. With so many hair brands on the market, it's really hard to kind of figure out what is the best way to go. But what I can tell you from this particular hair brand is you're going to be very happy. Most hair extension brands, you will have to replace the hair every 6 months or so, because it frays, the ends get really thin, the tops of these fray a whole lot, and like I said, you can see here how it's still perfect and intact. And this has been in my hair for 8 months. So, but with Saxon Row, you're going to get longevity. The thing with this is that you're not having to continually drop money to buy new hair. And for me, that makes the biggest difference in this investment in wearing hair extensions. I wanted to say a quick bit about the hair before we put this vlog to a close, but here is 6 days after with styling it, washing and styling it myself, so you can see what it looks like on my own as I wear this in normal life. I just got back from a brunch, so I look cute, and I was like, I'll just film this while I'm looking cute and not haggard. Thanks for joining me for today's hair vlog. I hope this was fun and interesting. Again, if you have any questions over the process of these hair extensions, anything you want to know, please leave a comment. I would be happy to answer those questions for you. And if there's anything else you want to see in regards to wearing invisible bead hair extensions, I would love to put that together for you. If you want to see like at home maintenance, what that looks like, I've briefly touched on that before, but I can certainly go into that again. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.